Just a quick one. We run a closed Facebook group called TRT in the UK. The purpose of the group is to provide education, information and support. There's also a bit of banter, which is always a bit of good fun. So yeah, we hit a bit of a milestone yesterday. We have now officially 1,000 members, which I think is quite cool. So if you want access to safe and effective information and care, join us. TRT in the UK. As I said, it's a closed Facebook group, so only the people that are on the group can see what you post. It's a really good group of guys. We're all in the same boat, we're all on the same mission, and that is personal and physical wellness through hormone optimization. Now that encompasses not only testosterone replacement therapy, but also lifestyle, nutrition and exercise. So it isn't a sterile promontory. It's a good, vibrant place to learn some information, share your experiences, and hopefully gain some support so we can help you on your journey to wellness. Take care, guys.